Welcome to Triple Level Travel, where every journey comes in threes. Today we're rolling through Indianapolis, a city built on speed, soul, and surprising charm. With $1,000, we'll carve out adventure in alleyway diners, vintage bookstores, and hidden parks. At $3,000, the experience shifts. Think restored mansions, elevated meals, and evenings that linger. Push it to $20,000, and Indy answers with art bought by appointment, engines on demand, and velvet rope access behind historic walls. From cobblestone corners to candlelit tables, this city moves at every pace. No rush, no shortcuts, just three ways to see a city that knows how to move. Level 1, Budget Adventurer, $1,000. Exploring Indianapolis on a tight budget unveils a city rich in culture and experiences. Secure a 3-day Indigo bus pass for unlimited city travel at $12, $4 per day. For accommodations, consider the City Lights Hideaway, private bedroom number 2, DT Indy, a budget-friendly Airbnb private room in a shared apartment averaging around $37 per night, totaling $111 for 3 nights. This setup offers a comfortable stay with access to local neighborhoods, setting the stage for an affordable and memorable adventure in the heart of Indiana. Day 1, Streets, Sandwiches, and Speedway. Spirit. Kick off your morning at Yachts on Mass Avenue with a fiery bowl of chili cheese etouffee and bread for $11. After breakfast, ride Indigo to the Indiana State Museum. Entry runs $20, and the exhibits range from prehistoric fossils to vintage cars. Relax afterward at the Idol, a hilltop nook perfect for sketching or people watching. Lunch is the Revelo sandwich and rare brew sparkling tea from Subito, both for $16 and 25 cents. Wander the vibrant streets of Fountain Square, filled with murals and vintage shops. Cap off the day at world-famous Hot Boys with their signature Sando Meal No. 1 for $17. Crispy chicken, fries, and heat that lingers. Day 1, total, $64.25. Day 2, Gardens, Trails, and Tasty Finds. Start with a breakfast pizza and latte at Calvin Fletcher's Coffee Company for $18. At Garfield Park Conservatory, stroll among palms and koi ponds for just $4. Next, follow the Pleasant Run Trail, a shaded path winding past murals and quiet gardens. For lunch, savor Tlioli's chicken soup and a tofu mole taco, together $19. Then, stop at Wildwood Market, where you'll grab a jar of local strawberry rhubarb jam for $6. Tart, sweet, perfect for a souvenir. Dinner wraps at Mug & Bun, where $17 gets you a pork tenderloin sandwich, onion rings, and homemade root beer. Day 2 total, $64. Day 3, books, brick streets, and buttery crusts. Our final day begins at Foundry Provisions with their all-day breakfast sandwich, Amelia's brioche bun stacked with herbed egg, smoking goose bacon bits, cheddar, and provolone. Plus, an Americano for $15. Dive into the world of satire and imagination at the Kurt Vonnegut Museum and Library for $12. Wander Lockerbie Square, a peaceful district lined with gas lamps and preserved 19th century homes. Lunch hits at Goodfellas Pizzeria with a 12-inch pie and drink for $17. In the afternoon, browse Silver in the City, where you'll pick up a fun enamel pin and soy candle for $13. End strong at Shapiro's Delicatessen with their hearty corned beef dinner, 2 sides, rye bread, and a pickle for $26. Day 3 total, $83. Final budget breakdown. Lodging, 3 nights at City Lights Hideaway, $111. Transportation, 3-day Indigo Pass, $12. Day 1 total, $64.25. Day 2 total, $64. Day 3 total, $83. Grand total of $334.25. Level 2, level up tier, $3,000. With a bit more spending power, Indy reveals a sleeker side, blending elevated eats, curated experiences, and charming boutique stays. For transport, we plan to use Uber and Lyft, and we are budgeting $250 for 3 days of smooth car-to-door rides. Your home base is the Bottleworks Hotel, a swanky Art Deco landmark in the historic Coca-Cola bottling plant. At $280 per night, 3 nights total $840, buying you plush bedding, terrazzo floors, and a walkable connection to the city's coolest districts. From cocktail bars to vintage cinemas, this trip is all about taste, literally and stylistically. Get ready to eat well, explore smart, and experience Indy in comfort. Day 1, artful mornings and culinary delights. Begin your day at Milktooth, a renowned brunch spot, savoring their honey butter waffle with a brown butter latte for $28. Next, Immerse yourself in art at Newfields, home to the Indianapolis Museum of Art and expansive gardens. Admission is $20. For lunch, visit Bluebeard and enjoy the smokehouse burger with churros, crispy, sweet, and indulgent, for $35. Spend the afternoon strolling the Indianapolis Cultural Trail, a curated path winding through urban neighborhoods and public art. Cap it off at St. Elmo's Steakhouse, where you'll indulge in their legendary porterhouse steak for $72. A bold, flavorful end to a day of fine taste. Day 1, total, $155. Day 2, culture, cuisine, and curated finds. Start your morning at Café Patachou, savoring their lox toast with dill crème fraîche, capers, and frisée on toasted multigrain, plus a cappuccino for $25. Head to the Indianapolis Motor Speedway Museum next, where $25 admission gets you inside racing's most iconic institution. For lunch, visit the Eagle and dig into a fried chicken BLT sandwich with mac and cheese and fries for $20. Your afternoon leads to the Indianapolis Zoo, where $28 gains you access to interactive habitats and rare species. Wrap it all up at Vita, indulging in their full tasting menu, a rotating lineup of seasonal dishes for $145. Day 2 total, $243. Day 3, brunch, boutiques, and skyline farewell. Begin with brunch at the Garden Table, savoring their breakfast burger. Beef patty, cheese, bacon, hash brown, over easy egg, sriracha aioli on brioche, paired with a matcha latte for $30. Spend your morning strolling Massachusetts Avenue, a cultural corridor packed with galleries, indie shops, and colorful murals. Lunch lands at Basbo Pizza, where a pizza alla quattro formaggio and Cobb salad run $27. In the afternoon, head to Silver in the city, grabbing locally crafted jewelry and home goods for $50. End the day at Ocean Prime, enjoying teriyaki salmon with shiitake sticky rice and lobster bisque for $70, rich, buttery, and unforgettable. Day 3, total, $177. Final budget breakdown. Lodging, Bottleworks Hotel, 3 nights at $280 per night, $840. Transportation, Uber Lyft for 3 days, $250. Day 1, total, $155. Day 2, total, $243. Day 3, total, $177. Grand, total, $1,665. Level 3, VIP Luxury, $20,000. This isn't a weekend getaway. It's a masterclass in elevated indulgence. In Indianapolis, we're not waiting in line or Googling things to do. We've already bought the best version of everything. Your private black Escalade, complete with round-the-clock driver and concierge, costs $4,500 for 3 days of seamless service. Home base is the Conrad's Collection Suite, a $2,500 per night sanctuary of butler, attended elegance and original Warhols. $7,500 for 3 nights. Champagne in the soaking tub, curated art tours, off-menu dining. That's just the warm-up. Over the next 72 hours, we'll reshape Indy into our own private playground. Refined, reserved, and completely ridiculous in the best way. Day 1, indulgence begins. Start your morning with a private breakfast at Barrage, savoring their Moroccan-spiced shakshuka and mimosa bottle service for $60. Then opt for a one-on-one couture fitting and fashion consultation at Nikki Blaine Couture Studio, a high-end local designer, for $600. For lunch, dine at Vicino, indulging in their seafood pasta and tiramisu for $70. In the afternoon, unwind at the Conrad Spa with a bespoke treatment. Gold-infused facial and deep tissue massage, $400 of pure rejuvenation. Conclude the evening at Commission Row, where you'll feast on their 18-ounce dry-aged prime ribeye and sip a Pink Lady cocktail crafted with Irish gin and Calvados for $150. Day 1 total, $1,280. Day 2, sky-high views and decadent delights. Start your morning at the Holman, enjoying their Holman breakfast. Eggs, bacon, potatoes, toast, plus rigatoni and tomato and fresh juice for $68. Next, board a private helicopter with Suite Helicopters, soaring above Indy's skyline for $995. For lunch, head to the Fountain Room for their prime rib French dip and a house bourbon cocktail, totaling $50. In the afternoon, take a private mixology class at Hotel Tango Distillery, where you'll craft custom cocktails with a master distiller, $200. Wrap the day with dinner at the Ocean Air, savoring Siberian black Osetra caviar and a wild Alaska halibut T-bone for $140. Day total, $1,453. Day 3, brunch, boutiques, and skyline farewell. Our final day is all about indulgence, elegance, and a touch of romance. Begin at Café Boindi in Carmel with their buffon, smoked salmon, goat cheese, capers, avocado, tomato, and red onion on toast, and a strawberry Nutella Crispel for $28.90. Then glide through the downtown canal on a private old world gondolier's cruise, 30 serene minutes for $150. For lunch, ascend to the Eagle's Nest, revolving above the skyline as you savor filet mignon and seasonal vegetables for $85. In the afternoon, splurge at the Fashion Mall at Keystone. Think Gucci, Burberry, Tiffany, budget $1,000. Cap off the trip at Beholder, enjoying their chef's tasting menu with wine pairings for $250. Day 3 total, $1,513.90. Grand total. Lodging, Conrad Collection Suite, 3 nights, $7,500. Transportation, private Escalade chauffeur, 3 days, $4,500. Day 1 total, $1,280. Day 2 total, $1,453. Day 3 total, $1,513.90. Grand total, $16,246.90. That's a wrap on Triple Level Travel, Indianapolis. From budget bites to luxury heights, our $1,000 adventurer explored smart and stretched every cent. The $3,000 traveler leveled up with boutique stays and curated fun. And the $20,000 VIP, helicopters, caviar, couture, pure indulgence. No matter your wallet, Indy delivers. So, which tier would you choose? Like, subscribe, and tell us where we should go next. New city, new budgets, same unbeatable adventures. See you in the next episode of Triple Level Travel. All prices and experiences are accurate as of 2025, but may vary over time depending on availability, season, and